Hi, welcome to this AI training. So I want to touch on something else that's really, really cool inside ChatGPT, okay? So this has been focusing on ChatGPT, but I'm not saying I won't do other AI systems as well, because I use quite a lot. But ChatGPT is super cool because it has so much built into it, right? And it is the daddy of AI systems, right, as we know it currently. So let me jump into ChatGPT, and this is the little button I want to talk to you. So you can dictate. So if you've got a microphone, right, you can turn that microphone on and you can record. So if I've got a microphone tied to this, I can ask it anything I want, and you're going to see that it's recording that microphone now. And you can see the microphone little icon up the top there that you can connect. Make sure you're connecting to the right one. And what you'll do when you finish is it will transcribe that. It will put it in there, so it can put all this chat inside there, which is super cool and super handy. But the other thing that you can do is you can chat with it. So if you want to start a new chat, you can go and you can actually go and use this here. So using voice, and it will talk back to you. So if you've got your microphone on and you've got the speaker on, it will actually talk back. So sometimes it doesn't start in voice mode on a desktop, and sometimes it takes a bit of time before it pops up inside here. So it's connecting to the voice. I find that in a phone it works better, right? I use it all the time, right? I can just have it come up and it talks to me, and I can have a two-way conversation really, really quite quickly. Yeah, if you ask it something too complex, it takes its time. But this to me is cool. And I used this on my phone with my clone, right? My partner in crime, who I discuss things with, right? Knows my business, and I can talk to him about it. And you can give him a name as well. And that's what I've done with this particular clone. So it's super cool. I'm just going to cancel that now. And let me just go down to a clone. So I've got the clone there. So this is my clone here, and I can do that same thing. I can use it in there. Here it is. So I can say, hello, Cody.
Well, hello to you. What's on your mind today? Tackle it together.
I'm going to be producing a series of AI tips for my users. I want to make sure that they align with my system building. I'm going to give you the name of some of these, and we will together work on the names and the SEO to make this fit. Is that okay?
That sounds like a fun collab. On those tip names, sharpen them.
There you go. So you can see how you can use that. And I use that in my phone all the time. And it gives the transcript down, and I can carry on later in my chat, because if you connect to the chat GPT in your phone, and this is the same for Claude and Gemini as well, and you have it on the desktop, it's going to save that chat in both places, right? So you can pick it up from where you left off. This means that you can take your phone on the road. And I've actually done this. I've left the chat on so that I can talk freely, and I've been driving, and I can basically get it to produce a ton of content while I'm talking to it, while I'm driving, not distracted or anything. It's just going ahead, listening to me talking. And I even use it for thoughts that I have during the day. And then I just throw that all in there, say, sort this out. Do you think it's a good idea? And I can just go through that. It's super efficient. And the system building way, this works with it perfectly.